Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can easily call the voice assistant on your Android device or your, of course, iPhone on your Samsung Galaxy Buds3 FE. The most important thing is that you have to at first change the setting in the application on your Android device and then go to your iPhone to call Siri. But it works the same. At first, open your application, it's called the Galaxy Wearable, and once here, tap Earbud controls. Now, straight from here, you have to tap the pinch hold controls. Tap, for example, on the left one, and if you want to have it set on the left one or right one, just tap. Here, tap Digital Assistant, and now, once we do have it, for example, in our ear, we just have to pinch and hold on the when I just need to insert it to my ear. We do have to just pinch and hold to call here, as you can see, Google Assistant. The same as with the Siri, you just have to at first set it in the in the application itself. It doesn't make sense for me, but it is how it is. Goodbye!